Hello everyone and welcome back. It was Father's Day and Ruthvi decided to give Karthik some breakfast treat. I also pitched in. And while pancakes were on menu, I also decided to lay the dining table in a special setup with the help of this Lazy Susan that I bought from IKEA. And while I was placing things and giving this dining space a cafe-like feel, I thought of sharing my other IKEA home organizers with you all and give you some ideas on how you can also use the same in one or many other ways. I absolutely love this Lazy Susan for the fact that it is so big and that it can accommodate so many things in one go. I at times use it as a tray to serve small eats, sweets or condiments for guests. Or on most other days, my regular usage converts this into a mini munching bar for placing items in front that I want to be consumed sooner rather than later. This helps to keep all items together and organized, makes things easy to access, and looks incredibly pretty to place. Next is this IKEA trolley, which is made up of metal. This is indeed a great organizer, especially if you have less kitchen space. Having this trolley is a boon. Earlier I was using it as my kitchen extension to keep lot of kitchen products next to my fridge. But recently with the newborn, I changed its location. I use it as Dhairya's diaper station to keep his stuff like clothes, toiletries, blankets, burp cloths, washcloths, etc. all organized neatly. However, this needs to be changed soon and I see it going next to my office desk. But let me know if you guys have any better idea to use it as organizer in the comments below. Next are these IKEA rod set that are multi-utility and multifunctional. These rod comes with a set of hooks and containers which can also be purchased separately. I use them in my laundry area to hang multiple items. It can very well fit such hanging steel organizers as well. I also hang this mesh bag to save those lost and found items which goes missing quite often. These containers fits perfectly on the rod and are best to collect that goes along with the laundry. They can be utilized in various other ways that I'll show you in a bit. I also use these same rods in my kitchen for hanging other utility items. Command hooks can also be replaced by the binder clips. You can also place this rod over countertop to hang spatulas and other kitchen tools. These containers from IKEA can be used in so many ways because they have the hook at the back which makes them modular and easy to fit. I use them in wardrobes to organize small items. In the kitchen, whenever some extra space is needed to place small kitchen tools. In my laundry area, as shown earlier, and even next to my bedside for placing my multivitamins. The options are many. I picked this drawer organizer from IKEA for the purpose of office stationery, but these days I use it to organize my makeup drawer. The fair sectioning in this tray keep things at place and very much organized. I'm sure this drawer insert will make good use of space in organizing kitchen cutlery as well. Next up are these wall shelves. Wall shelves are a great way to use wall space and organize things that you wish to flaunt. I have these 2 IKEA wall shelves in Rutvi's room to showcase her artwork, some books that I keep rotating, and also some toys that I want her attention on. I also use these shelves to organize few of my work accessory as I don't have too many drawers at my office desk. I have shown this IKEA 4-tier rack in my previous videos as well, which I divide and use for multiple purpose. Apart from using them in pantry that you can check in my pantry organization video, I use them as additional sliding rack on my office table and also in Rutvi's wardrobe. You must have seen these IKEA baskets in many of my previous videos. These baskets are very sturdy and spacious enough to accommodate lots of things. While organizing food items in my pantry is one option, I even use them as a fridge organizer or even drawer organizer. Since Rutvi's online classes have started, I thought of using it in a different way this time, and I organized all her art and craft material to make a mini craft caddy for her. I hope you liked all these organizers and find many more interesting ways to use them. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up and consider sharing your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay tuned.